Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. I hope guys you are fine and enjoying your life. So I have shared some ideas, beautiful designs, especially for Eid. When you buy contrast dress, now you can stitch these designs. Beautiful but so smart style. Guys, this video give you very unique ideas, stitching ideas and matching your dresses, different designs, shades, all over lawn fabric also. You can stitch it with a jacket, beautiful designs. Especially these designs according festivals, like in those days Eid specials for us. Most people buy dress and stitching at their homes. So this video very impressive and very attractive for those people. Very nice black and Sindhi combinations. Guys, plain dress and matching jacket. Very old and modern fashion combination also. Plain dress and different artwork also very impressive. All over designs only for princess. Very nice white and dark shade blue combinations. So attractive. You can carry the dupatta blue. So guys, please watch my video at the end and not skip any clip also. Plain dress you can decorate it with the jackets in multi-shaded according your plain dress, and different laces designs you can stitch. Frock shirt and trouser also, different designs, black and yellow with white combinations. All the designs are simple but very attractive and unique, traditionally look. So guys, thanks for watching my video. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Take care.